When I heard about the new Adonit Note M for the first time, I was very interested to get my hands on it. If you follow me on this channel, you know that I reviewed a lot of Apple Pencil alternatives in the past, and none was perfect enough to compete with it. Especially the lack of pressure sensitivity is missing in all the other options I tested so far. And the Adonit Note M also doesn't provide this feature. It has something that the Apple Pencil cannot offer yet. Mouse support. Wait, Tom, mouse control with the stylus? How? How is it done? Well, we will find out in this video. When you see the Adonit Note M for the first time, it looks very similar to the Apple Pencil 2. I would love to get a black version of the Apple Pencil though. Not only does it look very similar in shapes, but it also sticks the same way to the iPad using magnets. This is something even a lot of other cheap alternatives are not able to. And before you ask, no, it's not charging the stylus unfortunately, which is a shame. However, at least it has a USB-C connection instead of a mini USB connection we get with all the other options I tested so far, making it much easier to charge with your existing accessories. The stylus is connected via Bluetooth. Connecting the stylus isn't as straightforward as you're used for the Apple Pencil. However, all you need to do, like for the other alternatives, you go to the Bluetooth connection mode of your stylus according to the manual, then go to your device settings, connect, done. It's a one-time setup thing. Once connected, the stylus is great to use with no latency at all. It's as fast as the Apple Pencil. It also has excellent support for palm rejection, and using the Paperless on my screen, I have great control over my writing due to the increased resistance. If you want to learn more about why I think Paperless is a must-have accessory on any iPad screen, check out my in-depth article here. Once you flip the Adonit Note M, the real magic happens. You suddenly get fully functional mouse with left and right click buttons. You can even scroll by swiping over the mouse buttons. I'm surprised at how good this actually works. I tested it on several surfaces without any issues. If you are using an iPad Magic Keyboard or other keyboards with a trackpad on it, there's maybe no point in using this stylus. However, if you are using your iPad with Apple's Folio keyboard, makes it a great device when you want to switch between stylus and mouse while you are typing. The advantage you have using styluses like this one is that you can use it on different iPads. At the same time, for the Apple Pencil, you are restricted on specific iPad versions, especially when you are using newer iPad Pro versions that have only Apple Pencil 2. So overall, it comes to your personal preferences and if you need this mouse support. However, if you don't want to carry around an extra device, the Adonit Note M is an excellent alternative for an Apple Pencil plus a separate mouse. In my opinion, this is something I would also like to see as an upgrade in the Apple Pencil 3. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is useful for you. Do you like the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so I can catch you up